Bob Fisher, and I'll be reporting from TWTJ News. Tonight we will cover... I've just been informed there's a major disaster happening over in the South Island. And it's a tsunami!
Good evening, Bob. We're here in the South Island where a massive tsunami is ripping through the land. Get out of here, you! There are cows flying everywhere. It's unbelievable what we see down here. It looks like the number of cows has significantly dropped. This is Duncan Jana, TWTJ News, signing out. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for the update, Duncan. We will now show you the economic impacts of the disaster. Over to the university, please.
Okay, welcome back to our economics class where previously we were learning about the supply and demand curve. Teacher's pet, what is a demand curve?
A demand curve is how much someone is willing to purchase a good based on its price.
Very good. Now what is a supply curve?
Supply curve is how much the producer is willing to produce at a given price.
Very good. Where the supply curve meets the demand, it creates an equilibrium. Does anyone have any questions?
Steve, this morning I was watching the news and there was a tsunami in the South Island, and I was wondering, how does that natural disaster relate to economics and what you have just taught?
Very good question. Well, as you can see here, we have the supply curve. There has been a reduction in the number of cows, which means the supply curve shifts to the left. We now have a new equilibrium up around this area here, wherever the supply curve has shifted. This is a supply shock. Ideally, farmers would like to maximize profit by selling at this point here, the people who are left with cows.
Wow, who knew economics would be integrated into almost everything, including natural disasters? For our closing segment on TWTJ News, we have decided to bring in our own economics specialist, Tom, who will tell us about what it is he does. Over to you, reporting crew.
Now, what is economics?
Well, economics is a study to show how society should distribute resources. Economic specialists analyze data and monitor economic trends on particular issues such as energy costs, inflation, interest rates, and much more.
How can you incorporate economics into everyday life?
Wow, that's a good question. Many economists apply these areas of economics to health, education, and agriculture.
Why should we study economics?
I've had this a lot. Economics helps you see what the right choices are. So if you don't study economics, you just made the wrong choice.
So don't make the wrong choice and study economics. This is Bob signing out.